Hi, YouTube. Thank y'all for tuning in again with your girl, Rise Star Queen Tarot. Thank you for your likes, shares, your comments, your subscriptions. Thank you for supporting, girl. But as I always say, I'm not here for me. I'm here for you guys, help you guys on your journey. With that being said, we are here to do a sign reading for my Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, okay? So if you're a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, this reading is for you, okay? If you are new and you're scrolling by this video, please hit the subscription button. Subscribing is free. We would love for you to be a part of the family. I would love for you to be a part of the family, okay? Hit the notification bell so you can know when the sirens are dropping, so you can know when collective reads are dropping. And I do go live on Tuesdays for message events. So if you would like to join in with your girl, Tuesdays between 1:11 and 1:30. That's when your girl will be up, okay? With that being said, we're just gonna jump right in and see what spirit got for my earth signs towards Virgo Capricorn. Spirit care affirmations. What do we have for my earth signs towards Virgo Capricorn? Spirit accurate messages. I don't know. My breath felt heavy, y'all. Somebody could not be able to breathe or something. Somebody want to talk here. This could be a Leo's, Aries, or Sagittarius. Somebody. Y'all probably gonna get a call from somebody. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person is releasing something. Want to release something? Hmm. So somebody getting some type of they're getting some type of insight here. They going through some type of change. This person, what is this spirit? Can I messages, please? What about this person going back and forth in their head about speaking to y'all about self-limited beliefs here? I don't know what this is, y'all. What is this? Spirit, what is this? Spirit, messages, please. But somebody want to speak here. They want to inform you of something. Some of y'all, this person could be getting out of jail. They could be getting freed. Um, yeah, let go. Um, they they get released. And then they gain some type of insight. Mm. They want to reunion with y'all. For some of y'all, this person, somebody getting out of jail here. They being released. And they gain some type of insight here. And they want to return. This is somebody from your past, baby. Somebody y'all, I don't know, they in jail. They getting released. They could be angry too. Maybe because y'all let this person go while they was in jail. It was a completion here. Somebody angry because they getting out. Yeah, they've been going back and forth in their head. by seeing you here with the sun. What is this spirit? What's going on for my earth sign? Mm-mm. This person want to bring out some type of offer here. Page of Pentacles. It could be some type of offer, some type of opportunity. Some they've been self-developing since they ain't been able to move forward. They ain't been able to do anything while they was trapped here. Yeah. What is this spirit? Like, what is it? What is this? This person ain't able to do something, y'all. Okay, listen. This person ain't able to do something here, and they gonna try to bring out some type of offer. Yeah. I got court papers over here. Okay, so it's somebody that want to call y'all, right? Some of y'all could be lawyers that this person coming to. I don't know. It's something about this person went to jail and they being released, and they going back and forth in their head about reunion with y'all here. Okay, look like y'all had a completion with this person, but this person going back and forth in their head about seeing y'all. But then it's like the Page of Pentacles here. What is the Page of Pentacles here, Spirit? Mm. This they wish they want you to give them something. They feel like you owe them something or something. Yeah, they at a disadvantage at this time. They ain't able to move forward. They might not have a car. Yeah, they at a disadvantage. They ain't got nothing, baby. They need some help. Whoever this is needs some help. I got with court papers here. I don't know what this is with the court papers. Like this person might be on papers when they get out. It look like you stable here, so they gonna come in and try to bring you some type of offer, something. They coming in to offer you something. They really ain't got nothing to offer you if they coming out of jail. Um, look like they might be coming to bring you some type of message here. Because the pages can talk about messengers. Yes. And then I had the stability. Look like y'all very stable, but this person ain't. They ain't been. They can't do nothing. Whoever this is. So what is the message about? With gift here, I feel like they need some help. They need some help. Yes. Some type of transformation beginning. Who is it? What is this? What is this? This person needed a beginning, a new beginning. They don't went through a lot of endings here. And they stressed out. Like I feel like they sentence over with ending the death here. They done ended that cycle and they need help for a new beginning. They stressed out. Whoever this is, they need somebody to help them. But when I don't understand what message they got here. I guess they gonna reflect in finance. Mm, I don't know. Maybe they want you to offer them something. They definitely need some help here with gift coming out. Yeah, to get to get to their wish fulfillment, become more self confident, to achieve something here, to be happy. Yes. I still don't know what the page for. That's the only thing they got. What is the message? What is the page? This person could be young. Um, young minded. Um, this person has no protection at this time. Like that, what is this? I don't know what that is. This person want to reunion with you here. They need some friends. This person needs some friends. They need somebody that they can lean on. Yeah. Look like they might have had somewhere else to go. Cause I was like, what is that? They might have had somewhere else to go, but they can't go there since they've been released. They wanna. This is the message. Okay. The message is this. Cause I was like, what is Page Pentacles? Like, what is this? What's the message, Spirit? This person has somewhere to go, but they can't go there because of how nasty they was when they was there. Okay, this person showing up as King of Wands upside down. This person was something fucking else. Okay, confirmation. Um, They sacrificed that. So they messed that up. Yes. So they uncertain on which way to really go. Like, you know what I'm saying? So somebody is finna communicate to y'all that they being released here. Cause I was like, okay, what's going on here? And it's reading. I was confused. I figured that. Yeah, someone finna get a phone. Somebody y'all finna get a phone call from somebody being released. They being let go here. They've been going back and forth their head, I guess, about who they gonna contact. It's somebody from your past, baby. Somebody that y'all already had a completion with here. I realize why now this person is angry because they can't go to this other place. Yes, this person is angry. What is this? Mm, yes, I do. This person, they're a little angry because the place they wanted to go, they can't go since they're being freed. Because they were so nasty and abusive. They did a lot of brutal shit when they was there. So they can't go there. Yes. Yes. They really would like to return there, but they can't. So they need some help, basically. With yeah, and this person definitely gonna be on papers when they get out with court papers. We ain't got papers right here. You know. They gonna have to go backwards and forth up that towards that courthouse, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Mhm. They've been going back and forth their head. Cause at this moment they stuck. They can't move forward. They can't go nowhere. They can't go out of town. They can't just pack up and leave. Cause they on papers here. Mhm. You know. So they going back and forth their head. Is look like they want to travel. But whoever this is, I don't think y'all talked to this person in a while. Cause it looked like it was a completion here with y'all. But this person going back for their head and they thinking about seeing you here when they see you or whatever. But they, but then there was a page of pentacles. Like this person got financial reflection of their finances. They don't really have a lot of finances at this time. They at a disadvantage here. And you stable. Whoever you are, you're stable here. But this person they unprotected at this time. They don't got any type of protection. Like no type of coverage. Nothing. No coverage. Yes. They wish fulfillment is if you will help them here. Yes, because this person is on paper. This person need a friend. Whoever this is need a friend. Yeah, now that this cycle ending of them being locked up here, they stressed out. They like, what am I gonna do with my future? What's gonna happen? This person been praying that they can reunion with you, become friends. Y'all can become friends again, so that you can help them here. Okay, sorry y'all. It took me a minute, but I was gonna get it one way or another. Um, let's see. Will my Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn collected let this person come? Will they reunion with this person? Mm, mm, I gotta know. Look like y'all don't do some type of self elevation, and for some type of reason, y'all feel like this person is don't have no take lack of accountability for the things they do. They got some type of secrets here with the moon. What is this spirit? Yeah, this person they took y'all for granted in some type of way, but this will be a burden on y'all. You would have to pick this person up and basically tote them for a while. I feel like some of y'all gonna feel like y'all gonna be indecisive on this. Some of y'all gonna call judgment quick. Um, some of y'all gonna feel like this person deceptive, yeah. Like this person trying to deceive y'all. Y'all, this person some type of they bad news, and y'all just gonna be like no. Some of y'all gonna be indecisive. Y'all gonna feel bad for this person, but this person gotta take accountability for the things that they have done. Him is. I feel like spirit wants y'all to hold back from this person with the strength card here because this person very deceptive. This person could be a secret enemy. Is this a secret enemy? This person lack common sense. I mean, they lack structure. They weak intelligence. Their intelligence weak. I don't know who this is. I feel bad for them. Yeah, they do harmful shit. What is this reading? I don't even understand it. Maybe y'all gonna understand it. Yeah, this person careless. They careless. They lack creativity. Is this person gonna end up back? Yes. Okay. I'm getting out of that energy. Whoever this is, I think y'all should just stay away from this person. This person got a lot going on. They coming though. They definitely coming. But some of y'all don't know who this for. Yeah, I don't know who y'all is. Sometimes I'll be like, I don't even understand the message. And then people come back and be like, girl, you was I'll be like, girl, oh, I didn't even understand it. I be so confused sometimes. No, not all the time, y'all. Just sometimes I be like, it's spirit, but okay. What else do we have here for my earth signs? Y'all got a lot going on earth signs. Let's see. What else for my earth signs here? My nose itch. Oh, bless. What else do we have for my earth signs? One of these cards don't belong here, I don't believe. That one. I felt it. Felt weird. It felt weird. This person overindulged too. Whoever that person is, they gonna overindulge. They gonna feel like you're supposed to help them because of you. You're successful because of the power that you hold. Yes, because of you accomplished here. So yeah, telling you, baby, stay away from that person. What else do my earth signs need to know? I got 26 on the clock as I looked up. What else? I feel like y'all don't. Some of y'all, y'all going through a self elevation, huh? Yes. Y'all got new projects going on here. Y'all creating stuff. Y'all got a lot of new things coming in. Whoever this person is, if y'all let them in, they gonna try to block this. They gonna try to. I'm telling you, you're gonna end up going through challenges. Y'all is building generational wealth here. I ain't making this up. Cause at first I was like, what is this? And it's coming right back out. Yes. This person is going to try to block you getting this generational wealth, this long term success here, this love, this home. You know what I'm saying? Because this person don't want you to pour into them. You know what I'm saying? They going to want you to post some your Ace of Cups into them. Yeah. And it's going to, and you're going to lose motion messing with this person here. Yeah. You're going to be holding off trying to help this person on stuff. You're going to be delaying yourself here. Yes, it's all this, everything this person got going on going to be way down on you. So I don't know. Like at first I was like, okay, what is this? But Spirit going to let me know. What else is Spirit? Thank you, Spirit. Yes, right now, Spirit. Yeah. Right now, Spirit, y'all in Nine of Pentacles, okay? Y'all in the Nine of Pentacles, baby. Y'all in the Nine of Pentacles. Y'all good on your own. Y'all financially stable. Yes. Y'all done already walked away from this person, y'all. And this person, you already left this person behind. All you gonna do, if you turn around and go backwards, is be betrayed, heartbroken. Don't let this person come back in y'all energy. It's somebody from your past, baby. Yes. They made their bed, they got a lie in it. Yeah, this person, y'all different. This person coming in. Yes, they want to partner up here. This page want to come out of jail and partner up with you. And that's what I'm getting. They want to partner up. Yes, because like I said, they can't go back to the same place that they done went. That was canceled. Yes. It was too much. They caused too much conflict in the home. Yeah. So yeah, they finna to call y'all and offer to partner up with y'all here. They finna call you. Y'all finna get some type of message to this person. They finna call you. First I was like, what is this? It's coming right back out again. Yes. They need some friends. I just told you. They need some friends, so yeah, somebody that that's already building something. Somebody already building something. I feel like they want to come in and collaborate with you because you already building something. They want to come in and celebrate with you while you're already building something. Huh? What else is Spirit? Yes. Yeah. They want a reconciliation. But they've been watching you. Like I don't know. They could. You know how they got them phones in jail and shit and stuff now. Use my language. They could be watching you online and seeing what you've been doing or some type of way. Yeah. This person is not gonna change you, but I feel like the person they used to know is not them no more. Yeah, this person's not gonna change. They're gonna end up bad locked up. Yes, because they lack control here. They lack control and they greedy. Yeah, this is what's coming out. Yes, I got 31, 22 on the clock. 422, 44. Yeah, this person is immature as fuck. Immature, immature. Main male. This person is very immature. They young minded. I told you this from the beginning. They're young minded. Yes. Yeah, and they concerned. Like I guess they was like, oh my god, so this person doing it like this or whatever. They got it like this. They can help me. Mm-mm. Yes, yes. They see that you following the rules. You doing what you're supposed to do with an official person. You know what I'm saying? I got 4-4 again. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, they want to partner up here with marriage. Whoever this is, they want to partner up with you. Yeah, so they can get your money, so you can give to them. They need help. They want you to give them something with unexpected money, huh? Yes, this person is in despair. You know what I'm saying? Even though this person is immature as fuck, coming out immature, this person could be an older man that is false. This person is not changed a bit. Yes, this could be a lover for some of y'all. Brother, sister, it really don't matter. Lovers is all kind of things. Because guess what? I got people that I love very deeply. But this is somebody that's coming in. They get out. They wanted to go somewhere else, but they can't. Yes. And there you is, the mature woman, the official person here. Yes. This coming in the distant future, y'all. So I'm reason for the present. I'm gonna say not the present, the future. Yes, they gonna want to come in and court you so they can get something from you because they in despair. They ain't got nowhere to go. You know. Yes. They sentence is ending. They sentence whatever the judge gave them is ending. And they coming home. Okay. Yeah, this one's a little crazy. What else is spirit? You know, they being freed. I can't make this up. They being free here. Yeah. Yes, and they need somebody to help them. They need somebody to lean on at this time. It look like this person leaning on this person. They need somebody to lean on. You know what I'm saying? They need somebody to lean on. They, you know, and they thinking of making you their main lady. How does this person truly feel about this person in spirit? How does this person feel about my earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? How does this person truly feel? Yeah, whoever this is, they cheated and they broke trust on you. Yeah, they're gonna cheat and they're gonna break trust. This could be an older fella, but very motherfucking immature. Very immature. They getting out. They cheat. They gonna cheat and they gonna break trust. Yes, that they cheated and broke trust on you from the beginning. That's why it was a divine intervention. I feel like this person was going through karma here. Yes, yeah. It was time to reflect while they was locked up about whatever. Yeah. What else is spirit? What else? Uh, yeah. This person a snake. yes, if they come in this the future, they gonna shape shift and mark. Yeah. Yeah. They just want the security, the family. They just want the security in the family. And they gonna have third parties. They cheated and broke trust. It's gonna be a third party in this relationship. They just want the security. That's it. Yes, this person got unhealthy attachments too. Yes, it's gonna make y'all insecure if y'all take this person back. And no good cards came out yet. How does this person feel? Yeah. How this person feel? Yeah. They gonna want to experience new things. They gonna end up staying with y'all. Um, cheating the whole time. Yes. And then they're gonna end up traveling when they get off these papers with travel experiencing new things. Yes. They're gonna end up cheating the whole time and then they're gonna end up leaving. Yes. It's gonna be all of a sudden unexpected. Yes, they just gonna leave. They just want somebody that they can lean on. That's it. This person ain't no good. Yes. Divine time, believe in the right time. They gonna wait till the right damn time. And that's when they gonna do it. Lord Jesus. This person ain't no good. Yeah. It says love signs and meaning. Spirit trying to get y'all signs now. If some of y'all already talking to this person, whatever. Spirit letting y'all know this person coming. Is they gonna come in and apologize. They gonna be trying to apologize so they can get your security. They need security. They need somewhere to stay, baby. Spirit say y'all into this already. No second chances. Because this person got a lot of things planned. This person got a lot of things planned here. Yeah. Spirit wants you to trust your intuition here. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Trust your intuition. This person just want to have sex and good times. They just want to hook up, have sex and good times, baby. They gonna have sex with you and different levels here, and that's what I'm getting. Mhm. Mhm. That's what I'm getting. Mm. Mm. I hope this resonate. I hope this helps. I'm gonna go ahead on and end it, y'all. I don't want to make it too long, but I hope this resonated and helped. Thank y'all for tuning in to Get With Your Girl on Rise Star Queen Tarot. Thank you for your like, share, your comments, subscriptions. Thank y'all for supporting your girl. But as I always say, I'm not here for me. I'm here for you guys to help you guys on your journey. With that being said, until next time, Earth signs, love and light.